Hi guys, welcome to Market Analysis channel. Today analysis is on IDEX, and IDEX is hitting a support zone. As it's hitting the support zone, it's telling us that a rally will commence because it has tested the support zone earlier. It couldn't break below it. It rallied up a little bit. It's now testing it again at the second time, and it's also bouncing off this particular zone. This is now a very good indication that it has finally touched the floor and a rally will begin. There are things I want you to note on these levels. I'll be showing you point 4. When you look at the price from point 4, when the seller hits index and price keeps dropping downward towards the 50-day average line, look at the volume underneath. The volume were very low below average volume and they keep drying up. Anytime we have such activity, it's always an indication that sellers are getting weak and sellers are being removed from the market. So we only need buyers to come in and push the price upward. It's always a very good price activity to note that. Secondly, look at point 3 to point 4. When we have this rally, we have some skyscraper volume. All these volumes are indication that big traders and institutions, they are adding to their coin holding and they are trading heavily on IDEX while the rally was intact. Then I will now get to the sideways movement. Look at point 2 straight down to point 3. You will see that the market IDEX stays in sideways trading for extended period of time. While it was trading in this sideways market, the volume also dried up and it's well below the average volume. All these are indication that lets you know the activity going on in the market, which will now prepare your mind on either to hold your coin or to sell. Whenever price is trading in sideways or price is correcting and the volume keeps drying up, it's always a good indication that you should still hold on to your coin as no one is selling at this moment. Guys, I would like you to appreciate I would like to appreciate you guys for watching my analysis. I like your comments as you like the video and share. It always encourages me to bring more analysis to the table. I'll also try and encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so whenever I upload analysis on your favorite cryptocurrency, you can always receive a notification. I really appreciate you guys for supporting me always. Let's continue on the analysis. Again, I'll be talking from point 1 to 2. When you look at point 1 to 2, the volume was also low below the average volume. All these are indication that sellers are getting weak and buyers are gaining. And when buyers come in with strength, the price will rally upward just the same way it did from point 3 to point 4. Let me show you the whole big picture so you can get the whole thing in a nutshell. Look at the whole price. When you look at the chart from the left side, when rally started, it rise up drastically to point 1. That's the first leg of the rally. Then it had a correction to point 2 before the sideways market, and the volume dried up drastically on these levels. That's a very good indication. Then we have this strong volume and this upward movement. This is the second leg of the rally, which moved about 160% increase. That's a very good percentage movement on IDEX at that point. And as we are now looking at the chart, the price is now bouncing off a support zone around the 50-day average line. If it finally head up and it trades towards the upside, we'll focus on how it's going to react on the uptrend resume area, which is at point 4. And if it's now finally break above point 4, our next attention will be shift to the target area. That's an area where we will be taking profit. Calculating our profit is not a rocket science. It's an easy thing which anyone could do. We calculate from the last rally leg from point 3 to point 4, and that's about 160% increase. That's the same percent we use for our projection from point 4 onward to the target zone, which gives us 0.36. That's our target on IDEX. This 0.36 happens to be the price IDEX will rise to after a breakout from 0.4 before it has another significant correction. This is the analysis on IDEX for today. Guys, I really appreciate you, and I also encourage you to subscribe to the channel if you want me to continue posting analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Like the video. If you have any comments, you can paste your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next analysis.